Hello friends and welcome back to our YouTube channel Gadget Rishi. In today's video we are going to see how do we replace the filter candles for the auto backflush lube oil filter on the Daihatsu Generator engine. So we make all the isolations, put the engine on local control, fuel rack to 0, pre-lube oil pump off, starting gear closed, and drain valve should be opened. Release all the residual air pressure in the starting air line. As an additional precaution, we also switch off the breaker for the pre-lube oil pump. Now that's our lube oil filter. It is the automatic backwashing type filter with some 19 filter candle elements inside of it. This is what we are going to replace. So first, as our lube oil pump is off, we open the air vent, making sure there is no oil pressure, and allow some time to cool down the oil after the engine is running, and also allow some time to drain all the oil back to the sump after you have switched off the priming pump. So first we open the drain plug on the filter, again making sure there is no more oil, and then we can slowly loosen all the bolts on the filter housing. Once removed, we will use any two bolts to use as jacking bolts to push out the cover from the place. Keep two bolts minimum to secure the filter housing in place, having them loosened, so that with the jacking force the filter cover should not fall down, or you have some control if at all there is some oil or some pressure inside. So evenly tighten the jacking bolts, make sure the gap is created evenly, and now everything's safe, no more oil pressure, the cover can be removed. Now this gives us access to the filter candles inside the housing. There are 19 filter candles. Now using this special tool, we are going to screw them on to individually to one candle at a time and then pull it out. That's the filter candle. So we repeat this process for all the filter candles, and now all of them are out. So we will check the housing for any debris, sludge, or any dirt accumulation inside. Having made sure that is all good, we can now proceed with our task of replacing the filter candle element. So normally on ships you will have one spare working set which is clean and ready for use. So this is my set, and we have mounted new O-rings on both sides, and now the filter candles are ready to be inserted. Again, using the same special tool, we are going to thread it in and then find the correct slot position and then just gently tap them in. Make sure the O-rings are a good fit, and the O-rings on either side are of a different size, so be very careful. One is big, one is small. The O-rings are the primary sealing elements for these filter candles. So now all the candles inside, we will put back the cover. Put the cover, tighten it with all the cross bolts, and once that is all done in position, then we can put back our drain plug. Check the washer on the drain plug to be a good fit, and once everything is back in place securely tight, we can put back the priming pump and vent. That is very important to vent from that vent connection on top. Remove all the air. This is very important. So before using the engine, we have to make sure to vent it all till good oil comes out. So that completes our task. we make sure there are no more leaks, and everything looks good. So thank you so much for watching. We hope video is of some help to you, and stay subscribed on our channel for more such videos. The channel is Gadget Rishi.